Gabriel. I'm a developer evangelist at Twilio, and today we are going to talk about feature toggle. I'm also talking a little bit of Twilio things as well, but let's do it, okay? So, okay, well, that's me. That's my link tree as well. I have my GitHub where I post some code without tests. I'm sorry, sometimes it's important, but you know, there's my LinkedIn as well. And there was one more thing that you guys want to scan this one because we are doing some play around stuff. Okay. So what will we cover? First of all, messaging using Twilio. That's really important because you know we are going to use WhatsApp, and we know how WhatsApp is huge in Brazil and how people like to use it. Account security. So we are going to talk about 2FA, a little bit about authentication as well. And of course, feature toggle, which is basically the main feature here. Okay, what is feature toggle? Feature toggle, or featured flag, is a technique that allows, among others, to activate or deactivate functionality in production in real time without deploying. What that means basically is that you are capable of doing changes on the front end, just basically changing a flag. So let's say I have a feature, you don't have one. A nice example of that is Instagram. By the time that they remove likes, so by the time that they remove likes, so I was a person that saw likes for a long time, and my friends were not seeing the likes, and I was like, why was that happening? It means that they were probably testing how people were dealing with likes, dealing with not likes, and stuff like this. Cool. So how we use it? First of all, toggling, that's what I said. Basically, you can deactivate for specific users or all users in real time. Second of all, targeted feature, that's it. But basically, I'll tell your user cannot see this feature anymore or can see. And safe deploy as well. You can deploy something that is not on, and you can make sure that your environment is working fine, and you can deploy it slowly, okay? Okay, that's an interactive demo. So if you want to participate and see how it goes, you can scan just QR code, just send a hello to the chat, and you're just joining. Also, free food. So basically there are some riddles, which in Portuguese charadas, that you guys dev can solve and win $50 in iFood. So that's something as well. Cool. I'll just give you guys time to scan. Just send hello. Send hello. Send hello. Yeah, cool. So yeah, I assume that. Okay, cool. All right, let's jump. Demo. So basically, you can. I love QR codes, guys. Sorry. You can scan this QR code as well, and you're going to see a demo which is live, and we know how it goes. Things going live. So let's try it as well. I'll use my phone as well and share my phone with you guys. Just a second. I will just share. Oh, thank you very much, Harris. You're an angel.
You're very tall, so...
Yeah, right. I thought my mom. It's her fault. Okay, there we go. So yeah, we do have my phone here. Okay. That's fine. Okay, thank you very much. Also, okay, so I have my phone here, and that's my demo. I will just fill it with my information. Yeah, of course, mobile. Oh no, always a problem, right? When you click on mobile and it doesn't work. Let's see how it goes. My name is Gabriel Bolzi. I'll click on the receive code. It's in Portuguese, this part. So I'm sorry, guys, that not speak Portuguese. I'll go to my WhatsApp. I should have, yeah, okay. So I received a verification code. Okay, I'll just fill it on the browser. I don't remember, man. Okay, cool. So yeah, right now it's working. So you guys can see that's basically my demo. So if you guys log in, you can receive a certificate that you participate the demo.
and also receive a message if you want to play around with WhatsApp. Okay, cool. First of all, I'll just send a message and see how it works. So yeah, that's it. I received a message from the number that you guys probably said hello. So yeah, it's working. And also what I can do is just to receive a certificate, and it's going to my WhatsApp as well. It will probably take some time. Just a second, because okay, cool. So I have my certificate as well that I joined this event. Cool. Next part, which is probably the most important part. What I will show guys, it's basically feature toggling. So you see I have two main features, which is get certificate and send a message. And I can come here on certificate for, I'll just the other one because you guys can do it. So I'll go to set message. And if you guys have it open on your mobiles, it will be amazing. So I would be looking and set it to false and save it. What will happen basically, the feature just vanished. Like I did not refresh, I did nothing, it just vanished. And why is that? Because I'm telling that this feature is now disabled for all users. So that's something that you can do in an application. If something goes wrong, if something breaks, and it happens a lot, we know, right? So yeah, cool. But yeah, let's say I don't want to do it to you guys. I want you to continue using. So what I will do, I will just allow you to see again. Go to individual targeting and set false. Oh, just for you guys to see. Now I have both because I set it true. And I go here. Individual targeting. False. And I can just okay, there you go. Sorry guys for just sharing all the columns. I swear, I'll just delete it. Swear. And save changes. Okay, so you guys can probably see it on your phone yet, and I cannot. So, I mean, how magic is that, right? That's awesome because there's something called A/B testing. I'm not sure if you guys have heard about this, but it's basically testing two type of users and see how they react to your application. So you can take product decisions based on that. Okay. So, just like this. Okay. Cool. Does that make sense? All right, and I can go using that around. So yeah, okay. Sorry guys. So yeah, I will just show the code for you guys right now and say what's happening. So there we go. So first of all, I'll show you the React part of it. Okay. So we can go here. Okay. First of all, of course, I have better. Okay. And I'll just remove this. Okay. So first of all, I just have my React. I have a Redux as well. So more. Okay. Cool. Good. Yeah. All right. Okay. So I just have my Redux set because I don't want to lose your session. If you just refresh the page, you keep going. Let's go to router. There you go. That's the magic. So basically, I check if there's a JSON Web Token or a phone user set. And if it is, I just run my use effect and make sure that I have this function called async with the provider. What basically does is it will create a kind of component that will inject some props into my next components. So that's what I do on my router. So you can see that they are calling these roads. So on the main path, you just log in, and then I will save your session, of course, phone JWT. And the second one is message. And if we go to message, you can see here the magic, how it works. So basically, first thing that I have to do is export with consumer, which is basically telling that this component is just going to use the Launch Darkly app as well. And then it will just pass a props called flags for me. And from flags, I can say get certificate demo, and send message demo. That is basically what you guys saw on the dashboard as well. It's basically used like a state, so it changes, and my component is just going to re-render in case of changes. And right here, I just say, if it does exist, show it, and if it doesn't, does not show it. Okay? It's pretty simple like that. So I guess that covers the part of the feature toggle. Okay? I'll show you guys just a little bit more of how I send messages using Twilio right now. So, okay, so I have my router, of course. And if I go to message service, you guys can see that I'm first of all importing Twilio client, which I created right here as a singleton. Basically, I just have my account ID of token, which is basically set on the dashboard on Twilio console. I set it. I just export my client. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. I go to here, and these are my handlers for my routes. And the first one, send message. So basically what I do is Twilio client.message.create message body from, which is basically my number, the Twilio number, and to, and I send to your WhatsApp guys. So basically I have like, I don't know, maybe that's 6 lines, and I'm sending like a WhatsApp message. How cool is that, right? I was blown away. And of course, I also have my send certificate. I'm checking if you guys are not trying to get it twice, you know? You're just generating a lot of PDFs. And then I just also send it, and I can just use this media URL to say like, okay, so take this media and send through WhatsApp, okay? So I guess that's pretty much it. I guess it was faster than I thought. Yeah, right? I'll just pass. Let's say again, if you guys found anything and found the iFood voucher, please let me know and pass by the booth for us to chat. It's kind of a tricky one. And guys, I guess that's it. Thank you very much.